I did not understand until like 20 years later as a man in midlife. I'm like, that quote explains everything to me. My heart has become hard and calcified and protective, and it needs to crack to actually work, to pump, to to experience everything that life has to offer, to transform negative emotions into positive emotions, to love, to be loved. It needs to stretch, it needs to grow. It needs new experience. It needs to have empathy and compassion. That has to happen. And the more I resist it, the more it feels like a violent crack. The more I embrace it, it feels like a pump. Contract, expand, stretch over time. It's a muscle that grows over time.